This is Story with KSOC, and I'm going to show you a very quick demo of our new auto-remediation capabilities with AI. So first of all, here are our clusters. Let's go ahead and jump into one here. We've got our monitoring namespace and a deployment. So first, let's see just what's happening here. All right, so we can see we have our findings, we have our threat vectors, which are a combination of findings. None are available for this particular resource. But in this case, if we want to fix all the findings with AI, we just go here and it says, are you sure? You're going to say yes. And here's what you get to see. So the suggestions of how to fix the manifest code are going to be fixing these problems. And you can see the actual code as well, and the suggested manifest with the suggested fixes and highlights of where those fixes are present. So that's one way to get to the findings. Let's look at another one. You can also just go straight to a place where threat vectors are present. You can, which would be your top priority issue. You can go in here, and then in the same misconfigurations view, see you have all the misconfigurations that contributed to this threat vector. If you want to fix all the findings with AI, you can get the recommendation here, and you're going to say yes, and this is what you're going to see. So you've got the suggestions. You see a summary of the changes that were made and the actual manifest with the changes. And here they are, et cetera, all the way down to the end of the code, which is quite long in this one. Thank you so much.